In this video, I am going to show you how to calculate the square of a given number in very less time, right? So, first we'll discuss for the numbers that ends in 5. That is the number whose unit digit is 5. Now, suppose we need to calculate the square of 25. Now, since the number is ending in 5, a square will always end in 25. Whenever a number ends in 5, the square of that particular number always ends in 25. So last two digits of the square of this particular number would be 25, right? Now since we are left with 2 here, so what we'll do is we'll multiply 2 by the next number that comes after 2, that is 3. So 2 into 3 is 6. So we'll write this 6 over here. So the answer of this question, the square of 25, is nothing but 625. Moving to next example. Suppose we need to calculate the square of 55. Again, since the number is ending in 5, the square will always end in 25. Now here we are left with 5. We will multiply 5 by the next number that comes after 5, that is 6. So 5 into 6 is 30. The square of 55 is nothing but 3025. Right? Is 3025. Next example is square of 95. Again, 95 square. So we are having 5, so we will have 25 as the last two digits of the square, and then 9 into 10 will be 90. So the answer is 9025. So 95 square is nothing but 9025. Next example is 125. 125 square. So again, here we are having 5 as unit digits, so last two digits will be 25. Now here we are having two digits, 12. So simply 12 into the next number is 13. So 12 into 13 is 156. So answer of this question is 15625. That is, the square of 125 is 15625. Next is 145. Again we'll do the same thing, 5. So the square will end in 25. Now 14 into the next number is 15. Now 14 into 15 is 210. So the answer to this question, the square of 145 is 21025. Next is 195 square. Now again, split into two parts. Since the number is ending in 5, square will end in 25, and 19 into the next number 20. 19 into 20 is 380. So the answer to this question is 38025. So the square of 195 square is this. So the trick that we have discussed was only for the number that ends in 5. But the trick that we are going to discuss now is for the numbers that are close to 100, or you can say for the numbers within the range 75 to 125, that is 100 minus 25 and 100 plus 25. Okay, so now in this also we have two cases, when the number is less than 100 and when the number is greater than 100. So let us discuss one by one. Now case first, when the number is less than 100. Now suppose we need to calculate the square of 91. Now here we'll take 100 as a base. 100 will treat it as a base, right? So what is the difference of this number from 100? So 100 minus 91. So the difference is of 9. And since the difference is of 9, we will simply subtract this difference from this number. So here we will write 91 minus 9. Right? Now here we have 91 minus 9 is 82. 91 minus 9 is 82. And here we are having 9. We'll simply square this number. The square of 9 is 81. So we'll write 81 over here. So the answer to this question is 8281. That is, the square of 91 is nothing but 8281. I'm again repeating it. First of all, we'll take 100 as base. Then we'll check the difference of this particular number with 100. So the difference was of 9. We'll subtract the same number, the difference, from this number. So 91 minus 9 is 82. And here on the right hand side, we'll take the square of difference. So 9 square is 81. It will get more clear by the next example. So suppose we need to calculate the square of 99. Again, we'll take 100 as base, right? So the difference of 99 from 100 is 1 only, and the square of 1 is 1. But here we need to take two digits. This is very important. Here we need to take two digits. So we'll write 1 as 01, right? And again, we'll subtract this 1 from this number 99. So 99 minus 1 is 98. So the answer to this question is 9801. Right? Moving to next part. Suppose we need to calculate the square of 96. We'll again check it with the base. The base is 100. So the difference of this number from 100 is of 4. We'll square 4, we will get 16. So here 16 will come. Now we will subtract this 4 from this 96. 96 minus 4 is 92. So the answer to this question is 9216. Square of 96 is 9216. Next, suppose we need to calculate the square of 89. Now 89. Again we'll check the difference. I am directly writing the difference now. The difference from 100 is of 11, and we'll here subtract 89 minus 11, that is 78 will come here, right? Now the square of 11 is 121, but as we have already discussed that we need to keep only 2 digits over here, and here we are having 3 digits. So what we'll do is we'll keep 2 1 as it is, the last 2 digits will keep as it is, and we'll carry forward this 1 to this part. So here we were having 78, but this one will get carry forwarded, and this will make it 79, and 2 1 will remain as it is. So the answer to this question is 89 square is 7921. Again I am repeating, what we have done in this question is the square of 11 was 121, but as per our rule we can keep only 2 digits over here. So we have carry forward this 1 to the right left hand side part, right? Next part, square of 87. Now we know that the difference of 87 from 100 is of 13. So here we'll take 13 square. The square of 13 is 169. We'll take 69, and this one will carry it forward, right? Now here 87 minus 13 is 74. So here we'll write 74. Now this one will get added to the 74 and make it 75. So the answer to the question is 75 and then 69. So 87 square is nothing but 7569. Now one more example, 79. Now again the difference of this number from 100 is of 21. The square of 21, as you know, the square of 21 is 441. We'll write 441 over here, but we need to keep these 2 digits only. Now we'll subtract 21 from this 79. We'll get 58. So here we'll write 58. Now this 4 will get added to this 58 and will make it 62, and 4 and 1 as it is. So the square of number 79 is nothing but 6241. Now let us move to the cases when the number is greater than 100. Suppose 102. We need to calculate the square of 102. Again the method is same, somewhat same you can say. The difference of this number from 100. Now the number is greater than 100. So we'll subtract 100 from this number. So the difference is of 2. We'll take a square of 2, that is 4. But again as per our rule we need to write 2 digits over here. So we will write 4 as 04. Now earlier we used to subtract this number, this difference from this number 102, but now since the number is greater than 100, we will add this number. We will have 102 plus 2 is 104. So the answer to the question 102 square is 10404. Next, suppose we need to calculate the square of 109. Again same process will repeat. The difference of this number from 100 is of 9. The square of 9 is 81. Right? Now we'll add 9 to this number. It makes it 118. So the answer is 11881. Next part, 116. Again we'll repeat the same process. Difference of 116 from 100 is of 16. Square of 16 is nothing but 256. We'll keep 2 digits only. This digit we will carry it forward. Right? Now 116 plus 16 will make it 132. 132 plus 2. Right? We need to add this 2 as well. So the answer should be 13456. Next, square of 124, 124. So the difference of this number from 100 is of 24. And the square of 24 is 576. 5 will write 576 over here, but we need to keep 2 digits only. We'll carry forward this 5. Now this 124 plus 24 is 148. We'll write 148 over here. But this is not our answer. We need to add this 5 to 148, and that will make it 153 and 76 as it is. So the answer to this question is 15376. Now we'll check the trick for the number within the range of 1 to 75. Right? Now again we'll have 2 cases. We will be taking 50 as base in these questions. So we will be having 2 cases. First, when the number is less than 50, and second, when the number is greater than 50. Right? So, case for when the number is less than 50. So, suppose the number is 48, we need to calculate the square of 48. The method will be almost same, right? Since we are taking 50 as base in this case, we'll check out for the difference of this number from 50. So, 50 minus 48 is 2. Again, we'll do the same thing. We'll make square of this number. 2 square is 4. And again, we need to write 2 digits over here. So, we'll write 0, 4. Now, 48 minus 2 is 46. Right? Earlier, what we used to do is, we used to write this number as it is over here. But now, since we are taking 50 as base, we need to just divide this number by 2. 46 divided by 2 is 23. So, we'll write 23 over here. The answer is 2304. I am again repeating the step. First of all, it was very same as we did in the case of 100. We'll take the difference from 50 in this case. 50 minus 40 is 2. We'll square this number. We'll get 04. Right? Now again we'll subtract this 2 from 48. We'll get 46. But now we need to divide this number by 2. Right? So it will make it 23. So the answer of this question is 2304. Next, suppose we need to calculate the square of 36. Again, the same method. The difference of this number from 50 is of 14 and the square of 14 is 196. So we'll write 196. But as per the rule, we need to use only 2 digits. So we'll carry forward this one. Right? Now we'll subtract this 14 from 36. We'll get 22. And we need to divide this by 2 again. So here we'll get 1, 1. And when we'll add this 1 to this 11, we'll get 1, 2 and 9, 6. So the square of 36 is nothing but 1296. Next, suppose we need to calculate the square of 42. Again, we'll use the same method. Difference of 42 from 50 is of 8 and the square of 8 is 64. Now, we'll subtract 8 from this number. So that will make it 34 and we'll divide it by 2. So that is 17. The square of 42 is 1764. Square of 49. So this is very simple case. The difference of this number from 50 is of 1 and 1 square is 1. But we'll write it as 0, 1. Right? And 49, we'll subtract 1 from it. That will make it 48 and we'll divide it by 2. The answer is 2401. The square of 49 is 2401. Next is, suppose we need to calculate the square of 32. 32 square is 50 minus 32. The difference is of 18 and 18 square is 324. So we'll write 3 to 4. We'll keep these 2 digits only. We'll carry forward 3. Right? Now before that, 32 minus 18 is 14 and divide by 2 will make it 7. And then 7 plus 3. This carry forwarded 3 will make it 10. So the answer will be 1024. Moving to next part. Square of 28. 28, again the difference of 28 from 50 is of 22 and the square of 22 is 484. So we'll write 484. We'll keep these 2 digits. We'll carry forward 4. Now 28 minus 22 is 6. We'll divide it by 2. That will make it 3. Now 3 and this 4 make it 7 and 84 as it is. That is 784 is our answer. Next is, suppose we need to calculate the square of 31. The difference of this number from 50 is of 19. Sorry. When we subtract this 31 from 50, we'll get 19. And the square of 19 is 361. So we'll write 361 over here. We'll keep these 2 digits. We'll carry forward this. Now 31 minus 19 is how much? 12. And we'll add this 3 also. So that will make it 1. Sorry, I think I am mistaken somewhere. 31 minus 19 is 12. Divide by 2. We'll make it 6. Right? And it was 6 over here. Now 6 plus 3 is 961. So 961 is our answer. Now the second case, when the number is greater than 50. Now suppose we have 58. Again, the difference of this number, since the number is greater than 50, we will subtract 50 from this number. The difference comes out to be of 8. Square of it is 64. Now again 58. Now this time we'll add 8 to this number. That will make it, since the number is greater than 50, we'll now add this number. So 58 plus 8 is 66, divided by 2 will make it 33. So the answer of this question 58 square is 3364. Next is square of 61. Difference of this number from 50 is of 11, and 11 square is 121. We'll keep 2 digits only, we'll carry forward this. Now 61, since the number is greater than 50, we'll add 11 to this, that will make it 72. Divide by 2 is 36. Now this one will also get added to this number, so this is 3721. This is 61 square. Now next is square of 71. So for that, we'll again take the difference from 50, so that is 21. That is 21, and the square of 21 is 441. We'll write 441 over here. We'll keep these 2 digits and we'll carry forward 4. Now 71 plus 21 is 92. We'll divide this by 2. That will make it 46. We'll add 4 to this number. That will make it 50, and then 41. So answer to 71 square is nothing but 5041. Square of 59. Now this is comparatively easy. Difference of this number from 50 is of 9. 9 square is 81. Now we'll add 9 to this number. That will make it 68. Divided by 2 is 34. So 59 square is nothing but 3481. So I hope these tricks are clear to you. Thank you so much.